all off, all off. So, we all agree that this is white light which is coming up, and you don't see the light here because there is nothing that scatters it in your direction. So you don't see light here, but now look. Those of you who see blue, say, yeah. Those of you who do not see blue, say no. No. You better see an eye doctor. Now comes the hardest part. If I inhale the smoke and I leave it in my lungs for a minute, there is water vapor in my lungs, and this water vapor will precipitate onto these very small smoke particles. And so the smoke particles will grow. They will become small water drops, larger than 0.5 microns. And that means, if I hold it 1 minute in my lungs and puff it out, you will not see blue light, but you will see white light, because you're now in the me-scattering domain. All colors scattered equally. I will tell you that just before I puff it out, and you will see the white smoke, just before I do that, I will remind you of the color that you see now. I will only do that for a few seconds, then I will remove it, and I will empty my lungs. Terrible demo. Blue. Here is the ground, and you are here. And here is, say, roughly the top of the atmosphere. And the sunlight comes in like this. The sun is infinitely far away, so the sun comes in like this. The atmosphere is full of very small dust particles, smaller than a tenth of a micron, and even the density fluctuations of the air molecules themselves are clearly smaller than a tenth of a micron, and so you get ideal Rayleigh scattering. So white light comes in, you're standing here, but what is the light that comes to you? Predominantly blue. So the sky is blue. The light that is scattered here comes to you is predominantly blue. So that's why the sky is blue. And so the reason is simply that it is Rayleigh scattering of the dust particles in the atmosphere. If the sun is high in the sky, the total amount of sunlight that is scattered in your direction is only 1%, so it's very little. If the sun is 5 degrees above the